In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic reply in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on an out of office message, set when it runs, and tailor what people see inside and outside your organization. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want automatic replies to run. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner and click File, sometimes labeled Files depending on your version, then select Settings. This takes you into the app's preferences, so we can adjust your account level options without changing anything else. In the settings window, go to the account section and choose automatic replies. This is where all the out of office controls live. You'll see a switch or toggle to turn automatic replies on. Go ahead and turn it on. The moment it's enabled, Outlook is ready to send responses on your behalf whenever a message comes in. If you want Outlook to manage this for a specific period, like during a vacation or conference, set a time range. Pick a clear start date and time, and an end date and time. With a time range, Outlook turns replies on and off automatically, so you don't have to remember to come back and change anything later. If you skip this, your reply stays on until you turn it off manually. Next, craft your message for inside my organization. This is what coworkers or people on your same email system will see. Keep it clear and helpful. A good template includes your return date, the reason you're away in a sentence or two, and who to contact for urgent matters. You can also mention expected response delays. Keep it professional and concise so recipients know what to do while you're out. You can optionally create a different message for outside my organization. This is what external senders like clients or vendors will receive. Typically keep this one briefer and share only what's necessary. You might repeat your return date and provide a general alternate contact point, but avoid internal details. It's a good idea to keep this message neutral and privacy conscious. When you're happy with both messages and any time range you set, click Save to activate your automatic reply. From now on, Outlook will send your response to new messages that arrive during the active period. If you set dates, it will shut itself off at the end time. If not, remember to return here and toggle it off when you're back. That's it, your automatic reply is now live and ready to keep people informed while you're away.